Today I wanted to talk about why there is too much violence in the media. The Psychiatric Times said, "You turn on the television and violence is there. You go to a movie and violence is there. Reality is distorted. If you live in a fictional world, then the fictional world becomes your reality." And that's quoting Emmanuel Tané, a retired clinical professor of psychiatry at Wayne State University and a forensic psychiatrist for more than 50 years. The American Psychological Association brought up a point that I want to focus on today, and that is the effects of violence in media on children. According to a 15-year research, children may become less sensitive to the pain and suffering of others after witnessing violence on media. Children also become more fearful of the world around them, and children may be more likely to behave in aggressive or harmful ways towards others. For more information on my research, you can go to the American Psychological Association or Violence in the Media, What Are the Effects on Behavior by Kaplan. Thank you so much.